Hi everyone, this is Bob from RETA Machinery. Today we'd like to showcase our H-type fin press machine. Many customers will have a question: what is difference from between H-type and C-type? And this is our H-type fin press machine, or we call it closed type fin press machine. Why we call this machine H-type? Because it looks like H shape. The fin die inside of the machine. So outside closing, the maximum aluminum foil wise can be 550. The more wise of aluminum foil, the higher protection capacity of machine. Because more low things can be stamping in one cycle. We'll start to testing in coming days. And this machine is under assembly, which is coming to deliver to Dubai. Both of these machines, both of these three, 1, 2, 3, is our H-type fin press machine with model KFP63.